Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. So today I'm going to touch on Bitcoin. And of course, Coinbase had an IPO last week, everything pumping like crazy last week until today. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well as Odyssey. Also, Odyssey basically you can earn library token just by watching the video and joining Odyssey. You can earn library token. And of course, you can also earn Theta token just by watching some of the videos in twitch.tv. If you're interested, you can click the link below and join the decentralized movement. And of course, you can also follow me in UMaker. I will start posting video in UMaker because there's a lot of stuff that I cannot even talk about in YouTube because I may potentially get banned. So all the sensitive topics I will usually post in UMaker and Rumble as well. So, and of course, you can follow me, join my Patreon group. I talk about different stuff that I cannot talk about in YouTube, and all this video also exclusively for my Patreon member only. I just posted a video about the potentially Moonpig token. Also, I also post which silver coin has high resale value and all this and some other stuff as well, and also post whole bunch of other topic, but probably mostly crypto and the and also the coronavirus in Patreon. I can't even talk about in YouTube anymore. So if you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. So let's talk about Bitcoin. So I'm not surprised that they dumped Bitcoin because if you look at the chart in terms of the BTC/USD long position, they need to dump the price to liquidate the long position. So that's what happened. And when everybody is so euphoria, it's a good time to make a surprise move, right? To make a big dump. So basically, 1 million crypto trader had a 10 billion in liquidations. This is because they're using margin, they're using leverage, maybe 1-to-10 ratio or 1 to whatever ratio. Those are using Bybit, and everybody's so euphoria about this is going to the moon. And when everybody's so euphoria, they will dump on you. This is very common in a crypto market. It's not surprise. Today is only like 17% of the correction. Is nothing compared to 2017. On average, you have 30%, like 35% correction. Is not that unheard of. And in terms of volatility, this year and last year, the volatility is not that big compared to 2017 because it looks like the market is getting more mature with less volatility. Because in 2017, 30% correction in one day is very common. This is nothing. 17% right now, 17% correction. A lot of newbies probably freak out, and but this is nothing. This is crypto. This is not a traditional market. Traditional market like 17 or 15 or 10, even 10% correction is a big deal. But crypto is nothing. So this is they're using margin. They're using like leverage. So that's why you have 10 billion. You only have 1 million crypto trader. They leverage. That's why they have 10 billion liquidations. I'm not surprised. People is too bullish and too euphoria, and this would happen. I think it's very healthy to have a correction. Nothing goes up forever, and nothing goes down forever. And so this is what happened. So, but long term, I'm still bullish, but not a financial advice. Use your due diligence once again. And in terms of those liquidation, the majority of them is in Binance, 4.6 billion got liquidate, and then Wahoo 1.59 billion, Bybit 1 billion. So most of the trade is in Binance, those liquidation thing. And so just be careful out there. Don't put in the money you cannot afford to lose. And obviously, it's not a good idea to do leverage, but some people still do. They do it, right? So Coinbase, of course, have the IPO. I'm not surprised. I mean, it's like last week when Bitcoin was pumped all the way to 63K is a very good timing for the founders, for the employees, for the venture capitalists, for the early adopter to cash out in the Coinbase IPO. So I'm not surprised at all. We'll see. But with the bull market cycle, I'm not surprised Coinbase will go even higher after this. But not a financial advice once again. Use your due diligence. So that's why it has so much hype. But the thing is, when the mainstream media talk about something like that and another 50% to go, I think you got to be careful. you should do opposite what they say, right? In terms of mainstream media, especially CNBC, when they say something, when they say it's going to be going higher, that means it will go lower. This is what they want you to believe, right? So you don't want to go in the same direction as the mainstream. You want to go the opposite direction. So another reason why Bitcoin got dumped besides the liquidation, I think mostly is the liquidation of the long position. That's and another reason maybe they're saying, I mean, they always give reason, but I think when you look at the chart, looks like it's a long liquidation. They just want to liquidate the long position, so they want to dump the price to liquidate. And another thing they talk about is the U.S. sanction cryptocurrency address linked to Russian cyber activities, and this is more related to the Biden administration. They want to sanction the Russians, and somehow the sanctions linked to some of the crypto address that link to Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum, a whole bunch of other cryptocurrency as well. And this is for the cyber attack for the SolarWinds supply chain, and also the election interference in 2016. I think I want to say something, but I don't think I can say it in YouTube. Maybe I will post it in YouMaker. Because if I say that, I may potentially get banned because this is opposite what the mainstream media want you to hear. Probably I will talk about this in YouMaker about this. I tend not to agree with what they said in here, and this is something else going on. Sanction the Russian is just something else. So it's not what you think. I don't think they want you to hear the truth. But anyway, so this is the cryptocurrency that is linked to the sanction. It includes Bcash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Verge, Zcash, and Dash. There's no Dogecoin. Even in Verge, I'm not surprised. Zcash, not surprised. Dash, not surprised, because Dash has been used a lot in a lot of third world countries as well. This is the address. I mean, this is only a handful of address. I haven't looked at the address yet, but if you're interested, you can look at those different address, how much money has been sanctioned, blah, blah, blah. This is, I'm not surprised they do that. This is just want to divert attention, but I will talk more in detail in YouMaker. I can't even talk about in YouTube because I may potentially got banned. So let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. And people tend to give reason why there's a dump. I mean, come on, nothing goes up forever. They have to give some reason, right? Liquidation, I'm not surprised because people are so euphoria. Then of course we're going to liquidate you. I mean, everybody going to one direction, then opposite happen. This is always happen in crypto market, right? Isn't it? So let me know what you think about the liquidation or about the sanction. Do you think the liquidation caused the dump of the Bitcoin, or is it because of the US sanctions on the Russian, and then the Russian linked to some cyber activities, blah, blah, blah. So let me know what you think. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash like, subscribe, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Odyssey, as well as YouMaker. And of course, you can earn Faded token in twitch.tv. You can click the link below and join the decentralized movement. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency and commodity and stock market can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence. And I'm not your financial advisor. So whatever decision you make is you have to make your own decision. And I'm not your financial planner. I'm not your financial planner. So whatever loss, I'm not responsible, because you need to do your own research, and of course you need to make your own decision. You are responsible for your own money. So this is only for entertainment and for informational purposes, not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. Peace out.